Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Carolina Girl Reese. Teresa here. Hello faithful ones, subscribers, friends, newbies. Welcome you to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by. And today I'm just going to be doing something really simple. It might even take me 10 minutes, but someone asked me a while back, many of you probably know how to do this, but how to place your pipe cleaners on a 14-inch wreath frame for a Cruffle method. So it's really simple and easy. And if anybody, the person that asked me, I hope that you see this. I'm doing it for you. Anybody else new that might not know, because I didn't know for a while either. So here's all we're going to need. Simple as it is. 14-inch Dollar Tree frame. Okay. They're great, especially on a budget. Work wonders. Okay. I got me a silver one. They come in different colors, but these are great. I use a lot of these for the holidays because you can't see the frame when it's finished. Okay? And then you just need your pipe cleaners. And we're talking about, let's see, 18. Because most of the time when I make a Cruffle wreath, it has 18 Cruffles, which means 18 pipe cleaners, okay? So here's simply all we do. And by the way, I just want to say again, everybody, how is everybody today? I hope everybody's doing great. This is a Friday, coming up on the weekend. So I hope everybody just has a wonderful rest of the day and the weekend's also good for you in every way. Okay, so here we get started on placing our pipe cleaners on the 14-inch frame. Okay, for Cruffle method. So simple. Now this is just me. I always start on the inside to work out. You can go either way, but take it on the two inner rings here, each section, and place the pipe cleaner in the center. Now you don't really have to measure it. Just eyeball it to where you kind of get in the center, just like that. Going around to the next section here beside it, right in the center, just like that. Okay? So we're going to keep doing that all the way around until we get 6 in the center of the 2 crossbars. So let's see. So see how that's really that's all there is to it there. Okay? So let me go ahead and finish that one then. This inside 2 rings. So anybody that's wanting to learn to do the Cruffle wreath or make one for the first time, it really does make a full wreath. Less fraying. And matter of fact, this is becoming one of my favorite ways to do my wreath. Okay? Now what you might want to do, this is just me, you do not have to, but I usually too go back and place a tad of glue on each of mine, you know, just because, reason why, you know, sometimes they can't have a tendency to move on me, and I don't like that. So, you know, I just do that all the way around. You don't have to, that's totally up to you. Okay? So this is how you place the pipe cleaners. It's so many words, guys, and I get confused on them sometimes, but this is for the Cruffle. And usually you have 18 Cruffles when you do a wreath. Well, mine do, okay? So there's the inside. Now the outside 2 rings, you just want to take each section. I work by section, or just go to each section. That's the way to put it. Let's push them in. Okay? Just take your section, and between the 2 crossbars, you just want to put one. You don't have to measure. I mean, you can if you want, but you don't, because I never really do. Just eyeball it, because when you get through, they're going to be about 3 or 4 inches apart anyway. Put one, like, right along right here where I got it. And then you go across from it, and still in the same section. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Okay, now if you want to measure them, you can. So these are going to come out about 4 inches apart, which is good. That's a good thing. Okay? So don't worry about from here to the next section. It'll all work out. So there again, we're going to go another section on the out 2 rings. Place your one right there. Just like I showed you. Just like you see. Go on again, right beside it. There we go, just like that. Okay, so have you got that so far? So in each section, see, you're going to have 2 on the 2 outer rings, 1 in the center here. 2 on the 2 outer rings, 1 in the center of the 2 inner rings. That's all you're going to do all the way around. As simple as that. Just all the way around. Okay, do one more because I'm probably going to use this wreath after a while. This frame. Okay, all the way around. Okay. It's amazing though how many you can make different things on just one wreath frame and how you place your pipe cleaners. Here we go. Keep on continuing. So you're going to end up with 12 pipe cleaners on the outer 2 rings. Okay, all the way around. And your 6 on the inner 2. Okay. Just like that. Go ahead and hold you for the little bit left because I'm about done. I've done many of my wreaths with the Cruffle. They make a really full wreath. Here we go. So we got 2 more coming up just like that. Now you can even use this method here I'm doing with the pipe cleaners for your ruffles too. You can do that if you wish. Either one will do. Okay. So here we go. The last one. I'm going to go back and put a tad of glue on all of them in just a minute. But that's just for me if you want to. So here we go, everybody. There she is, all ready for the Cruffle method. And I hope you saw it pretty good. Like I said, 2 on the outer, each section, crossbar to crossbar. 2 on the outer 2 rings. You'll get it. Just eyeball it like that. And 1 on the center of the inner 2 rings. All the way around like that. Okay? And there you have your total of 18 pipe cleaners for your 18 Cruffles. Okay, so told you it'd be a small video today. So thank you for joining me on this. Anybody that hadn't never placed your pipe cleaners on a 14-inch wreath for this is the way to do it. And I hope that you'll try it. Make you a Cruffle one if you never have. And like I said, anybody new, thank you for stopping on my video. Please come back. I have plenty more that you might like. So there again, I hope you enjoyed this and you learned how to place your pipe cleaners on a 14-inch frame for your Cruffles. So everybody, happy crafting day. Till next time. Bye-bye.